In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to make money online reselling data subscription. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by hitting on subscribe button below. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Alright, so I'm going to introduce to you one portal that you will be reselling their data in order to make money for yourself. Okay, I've been into data reselling business for long, so I want to share my experience and also show you how you too can start making money for yourself doing this VTU business. Okay, so let me open my browser right here, then go to sub247.com.ng. all right, okay, so this is the portal that you'll be reselling their data and making money for yourself. Sub247.com.ng. Now if you don't have an account, kindly click on register. Registration is totally free. You're not going to pay anything to register on this portal. Okay, so for me, I have an account. That is why I want to show you how to make money on this portal. So I'll click login here, not to log into my own account. Okay, so I'll enter my password right here. I'll click login. Login successful. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Alright, so here is my dashboard. Okay, now this portal has airtime, data, electricity, exam pins, cable TV, and so on and so forth. Okay, now to sell data on this portal, to resell data on this portal, you are going to click on data. But first of all, let me show you the prices. Okay, so I'll click here, then go to pricing. Now imagine buying MTN 1 gig at the rate of 230. Then you can be reselling it at the rate of 350. Now check how much you'll be making. Okay, let me bring out my calculator and show you how much you're making. Now you buy, okay, now you sell 350 minus 230, so you have pure 120 naira profit. Now imagine you'll be able to sell like 20 gig a day. Now multiply 120 times 20 gig, that's around 2,400 naira pure profit. And the good thing about it is that you don't need any startup capital for you to start this business. Okay, you don't need any money to start this business. If you don't have money to start it up, there's no problem. You will start this business without any capital. Understand? Now let's go back to the portal. Now let's scroll down and check. Now you see MTN SME 1 gig 230, and this is 225. That is agent. This agent means that if you pay money to upgrade, instead of you to buy 230, you buy 225. Now let's see, when you buy 225 and resell at 350, let's check again. 350 minus 225, 125 naira. Now times, multiply 125 times, let's say 40 gig you say in a day, that is around 5,000 naira pure profit. Do you understand? Now let's go back here again. So you buy 1 gig 230 and resell 350, you make profit. Now you buy 470, that is 2 gig, and resell, let's say 600 or 700, you make pure profit. Now like I said that you don't need any startup capital. Let me show you how to start this business without having any startup capital. Okay, now when I started this business some years back, okay, before now, I was not having any capital at hand. Now this is what I did. I designed a flyer, okay, then tell people that I do sell data, okay, and I do put my own price 350. Now when they pay that 350 into my account, I will now take 230 from that 350 and buy data from this portal, understand, and keep the remaining profit there. Okay, now you are using your customers money to buy data and have profit out of that 350 they sent to you. Okay, now this is how you can start this business without having any startup capital. Do you understand? But if you have any capital, you can also start this business. All right, on my next video I will show you how to create an account on this portal so that you start making money by reselling their data. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you. See you on my next video. Goodbye.